I've got both Kestrels unusually. Oh, one's just flown away. I've got a photo I can show you, I've just taken it. Oh, they're both gone now. So anyway, I've got a lovely photo. Yeah, both Kestrels flew to the old owl box. So, oh, there's tons of Redwings taking off. Oh, you horses are looking very mucky. Very mucky. They haven't had those knots or whatever the bramble is taken out of their hair. Poor things. Now they've been here for 4 years, so we're obviously very healthy and happy. The little one used to be kept in the that fenced off area there, and for some reason they let him out because he was always looking sad, and he looks chipper now. Right, finally going to have a look in the protected area. Keypad. Voila. Sure, and close nice and gently because things do scare easily in here. Hoping to see some snipe. Fellow birder Tim told me they're in here. So, that's the hide. In 2021 I had some amazing barn owl action in there, but not since. Must have been COVID that the fewer people out meant they were quite happy. A lot of magpie and crow action. Okay. See, even through this glass, as soon as I touch those windows, the coots, terrific eyesight, they're gone. God, I was almost just about to get up and leave. I thought, there's no snipe here. And they're right in front of my face. They're resting. I was looking for them hidden in the reeds, but they're sitting on the reeds, just resting. So I'll try a little bit of footage with my DSLR, my camcorder, see which one comes out the best. I'll use my hat as to soften the DSLR. Snipe preening. Decent. Just had some decent buzzard action, but not great for photography. He's right up there now. He's a dot in the sky. I had him on this tree here, and he flew over, landed on that one over there, and the heat haze was terrible. I got some sort of, you see the photos, and I thought, should we try some footage? But 600mm on the DSLR, and then the crop factor means almost 1000mm handheld. Nah, might be able to do it on some of the really expensive DSLRs, but I've looked up some YouTube videos on the R7, and it's like, you know, it's the lower end of the mirrorless range, so you got to spend some money to film. So I'll get some video if it requires it in the future, some record shots, just yeah, that's shaking all over the place.